Okay, y'all, this is a different type of video, but I wanted to bring y'all along as I try to figure this out. So for my birthday, I wanted a portable ice maker. I saw one and it was a wrap. I was like, I need that. Like, that's so dope. It makes ice. So I got, this is her. She's silver and black. This is the ice tray. And I don't know the specs on how much, but these could be like $85 to $100. It's a birthday present. So I have it plugged in. I'm gonna pour in the water, and then I think we should have ice in 15 minutes. All right, so it might be hard to see, but it says max line right there. So I'm just gonna pour the water in. First, I'm using tap water. I don't typically like tap water, but it says to run it through a couple times before eating or using the ice. Okay, I think about 8 cups of water. Put this in. I believe I have to select. So it's on. This is small, medium, and large. I'm okay with large ice cubes. Look, it's starting to move. Feels like the water's filtering. I don't know if I have to close it. This is my first, this is an unboxing, so I have not used this. Shout out to my coworker who has it at work, and I'm like so jealous. I would love one of these at work. I love ice. It's a problem. If you're my friend, you know it. This is the Insignia portable ice maker. I see the water going in there. Okay, I'm gonna close it and come back. Look at it. Look how pretty it is. See if we get ice, y'all. I don't even know what the last thing I recorded was because I had to get another ice machine. The one I wanted wasn't working. It was defected. So this one works now. And I'm hoping that I can show you how it works. Okay, I just turned it on. I'm gonna put that I want small ice cubes, and something's happening in there already, and then they'll come out right here. Let's see, it says it takes about 7 minutes. This is what they look like when they're large. This is the largest. It's not too large to me, but in here, and it freezes on those metal things, and then that's when you see it drop in here, and then it pushes to here. It's the next morning and I'm waiting for my ice. This thing is cool because last night I unplugged it, and so the ice just melted back into the water just to reuse it, so you don't even waste anything. And then it lets you know when you need to add more water or when the ice is full. And so I'm excited. I need some more ice in my water, y'all. Make sure you're drinking your water.